Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Trishina Richards. On my channel, I do home decoration and lifestyle content. In today's video, I'll be installing my new bar stools, and I also will decorate my kitchen counter. Please feel free to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks to LUE BONA for sponsoring today's video. They sent me these beautiful bar stools. I decided to go with the black and the brown accent. LUE BONA, they sell indoor and outdoor furnitures. They have good quality products at a reasonable price. These bar stools were so easy to install by following the instruction sheet they provided. I have a discount code where you guys can get 15% off your purchase, and I will leave the link in the description box below. So right here, we're just trying to read the instructions, trying to understand how we should go about and, install this bar stool. But after a while, we got it after we read the instructions. So right here, I'm just showing you guys, we're going to go ahead and screw in the screws in the bar stool. These are all the screws. Everything came correctly, the amount of screws that we needed to use. So right here, my husband is just, installing the screws in there. And after that, it was so easy to install. So right here, we're just installing the top part of the bar stool, and this is how it's coming together, you guys. Like, I'm so in love with these chairs. It is so beautiful. It looks so modern, and I know that we'll have it for a long time because it is made of wood and also metal, so it's very sturdy, it's very strong. Just look at them, you guys. I think I'm gonna get a third one because I think right there could hold 3 bar stools instead of 2, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a third one. But this is how it's currently looking, and right here I'm just adding some minor touches to my kitchen counter top. I don't really like a lot of items or decoration on my kitchen counter. I just like for it to be plain and clear and just simply decor. So that is what I'm doing. I'm just adding these candles and that pampas grass right there, and that's about it, you guys. I just like it simple, and I feel like it came together pretty well with the black accent right there with the chair.